Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove or replace the light switch on MK3 or MK3 and half, so the facelift model. So basically what you're gonna need from the tools is this plastic tool. What you need, open up this over here, and so like this you just take it out. It's kinda not that hard, so you don't even need to take it full out, but here you can see where the clips are that are holding it into place. You need to take out this screw, and that's Torx 20, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, so Torx 20. You unscrew that one, so you take it out. And after that it's pretty much simple. Again, plastic tool, and just need to take this up here. So this ventilation, you take this out, maybe use this plastic tool once again. As you can see here, I don't know if you're gonna see the clips that are holding it all together. So basically that's that. After that you take your finger and push it from this side in and out. You don't want to break this, or if you already have this problem that this broke over here. So we have this electricity here, just plug out, and basically that's it for this. Now if you need to replace all of this, I believe it's just click on this side over here and on this side as well, so like this, and then this goes on to the front, or maybe, let me see. So we have these here. You click these two, and on the other side there are two again, so just click them like this inside and push again on the other side as well, so like this, and then you did remove all of that. To get it back, same procedure. You just click it on the top, and so just click in. You take it, you plug in the electricity, and basically just take it in the way you took it out, so like this. Let me just click it in. Yeah, you don't want to break anything, so be as gentle as you can. So let me just click it in. So once you put it back, put the screw back and just clip it all together as it was. So that's basically that. I'm gonna remove it anyway, so that's not gonna stay here. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and if you have anything that you would like me to make, write in comment. And that's about that. Thank you, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.